Remove wheel weights from the inside and outside of the tire. Remove valve cap and then remove the valve core with the tool provided. Place the tire into the bead braking device. Align the bead braking blade onto the tire next to the rim. Once blade is aligned, press the center pedal to brake the bead. Take care to ensure blade does not contact rim. Rotate tire and brake rear bead. Stepping on the tire, try to continue braking the bead. Or rotate tire in bead breaker. Using the left pedal, contract rim clamps. Pressing the pedal again will expand clamps. Place tire onto turntable and expand rim clamps. This machine allows you to remove or install tires without making contact with the rim, preventing damage to the rim. Using the two adjustments, align the removal and installation head as close to the rim as possible without making contact with the rim. Always apply a lubricant between the tire and rim to prevent damaging the bead. Before removing tire, rotate rim so valve is ahead of removal head. This will prevent damage to tire pressure sensors. Install tire bar between tire bead and removal head. Pry upper bead over removal head while pushing opposite bead into center of rim. Rotate tire allowing removal head to remove upper bead. Lift up on tire ensuring lower bead is free from rim. Rotate tire so the valve is ahead of removal head. Lift up on tire, allowing tire bar to reach lower bead. Lever tire bar and bead over removal head. Rotate tire. Inspect bead area of rim for rust or damage. If necessary, remove valve stem with valve stem removal tool. Lube new valve stem and install using same tool. Before installing tire, lube both beads. Place tire on rim and position installation head against the rim. Place lower bead on installation head ramp and twist tire. Press rotation pedal and install lower bead. Place upper bead on installation head ramp and twist tire. Press rotation pedal and install upper bead while pressing on the sidewall. This will allow the upper bead to slide into the center of the rim. When inflating tire, never exceed maximum tire pressure rating located on sidewall. Ensure valve core is removed from valve stem. Install tire inflation hose on valve stem. Press inflation pedal located on the side of the machine. If beads do not seal, gently lift the tire and press hard on inflation pedal. Stop periodically while inflating tire to check air pressure. Quickly install valve core and set final tire pressure. Using soap and water, check valve stem and beads for leaks. Always install new valve cap. Tire and wheel assembly is now ready for balancing.